Hello friends, this is Rohit Kumar Safar and I am 24 years of age and I belong to a very small town in Uttar Pradesh state of India. Talking about myself, I can tell you one thing that I am a very crazy person. I like to talk a lot and it was hell lot of experience for me for 10 days. Now you can ask a question.
So why did you decide to do a Vipassana?
I decided to do Vipassana course because I am suffering from a psychosomatic disease for a very long time, and I had been through many pathies. I tried an allopathy, I tried naturopathy, and when I was in a naturopathy center for 3 months last year, my doctor suggested me to go for Vipassana course to calm down me mentally, because he thought my problem would be eradicated only when I calm down my brain.
So, and what did you get out of doing a Vipassana?
I would say that I have at least learned how to cure my disease. I have not fully achieved what the teacher, Mr. S.N. Goenka wanted, the Guru wanted us to reach there. But I know that if I practice this in my home daily, then I would definitely reach that level, and it would help me in a very long way to curing my disease, which had become a part of my uh, habit, or you can say part of my subconscious. Actually, the technique taught us that how not to react to the basic instincts, to the basic sensations, and curing your problems by not doing it. And it is actually my problem. So if I decide not to react to my problems, to my situation, whatever it is, then I would definitely end up curing my problem. So it would be very good for me if I continue doing it.
And how are you planning to continue?
I am just planning to do this regularly on daily basis. Both the times I would try to give 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening to the practice, and then when I get the time, I would take out the time for this 10-day courses also, at least once in 3-4 months.
And would you recommend someone else to do a Vipassana?
Yes, definitely. My father is a very, very, very religious person, and he would definitely like this. And actually, everybody. I am a good orator, especially in Hindi. I would like to use those skills to propagate this, this technique to each and every person around me, to make sure that everybody understand what the real Dhamma is, what the real religion is, what we are following, and what actually should be followed. It is the basic necessity of each and every individual who comes on the earth to know what is real Dhamma, and I would like everybody to know it. It's such a good thing. I am very much amused that how could this beautiful thing is still unaware. Most of the people are still unaware of these things.
Well, great. Thank you.
Thank you.